morning friends, are you looking for a part-time business? Do you want to earn from home? If yes, then today I am going to tell you a way by which you can save up to 50% on your home grocery shopping and earn 9 types of income. To get these benefits, all you need is to change your shop. Our tagline is change your shop, change your life. If you want complete information about how to earn 9 types of income, then watch this video till end. Also, if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, then please subscribe to our channel for the latest update. So today we are going to discuss how a common man can save up to 50% on grocery shopping and earn 9 types of income by changing his shop. Before going ahead, I have a question for you. Do you know where we spend most of our income? The right answer is on daily need shopping. Now another big question is, are we paying the actual cost of this item at traditional regular shop? Let's see. A manufacturer manufactures a product at a price of ₹40. From the manufacturer, this product goes to CNF agent. From CNF agent, it goes to national distributor. From national distributor, it goes to state distributor. From state distributors, it goes to the wholesaler, and then it reaches to the retailer. And from retailer, it reaches to the end customer at ₹100. But hold on, the transaction is not over yet, because you come to know about a product when some big film stars come to television and promote it. So you show how a product which has been manufactured at a price of ₹40 reaches to the end customer at a price of ₹100, and 60% money is being distributed over middleman. Now let's see what other benefits we are getting on our daily need shopping from regular shop. When you buy a product from regular shop, mostly you do not get any discount on the product. You buy the product at MRP from the regular shop. In most cases, when you buy a product from nearby shop, then you do not get any bills or invoices. When you are not getting bills or invoice, then it is clear that tax is not being paid by the shopkeeper on the product you have purchased. Moving ahead, do you think that you are getting 100% genuine product from the regular shop? The possibility is 50-50%. Is there any return policy on the product you buy from the regular shop? The answer is no. Do you get any offer on the monthly grocery shopping from your regular shop? The answer is no. Moving next, do you get any income in your bank account on the monthly grocery shopping from the regular shop? The answer is no. Neither you get nor you will ever get. You show that you are not getting any major benefits from the monthly grocery shopping from the regular shop. If you are not getting any benefit, then why can't you change your shop for a while and get so many benefits along with 9 types of income? Let's change your shop and be the part of Vestige revolution just by using an Aadhaar card for KYC. After Aadhaar KYC, you become Vestige proud distributor, and you will get your 8-digit discount ID by using which you can avail of all the benefits. Here in Vestige, products are manufactured by the company and reach directly to the Vestige distributor. No middleman here in the Vestige business, and Vestige is giving an opportunity to their distributors to earn 60% income, which is being distributed among middlemen in the traditional business. Apart from this, when you buy product from Vestige, then you get some more benefits, which includes, first of all, you get 10 to 20% discount on product MRP when you buy it from Vestige. Next, you get a proper invoice in which you can see that tax has been paid on all the product you have purchased. Next, you get a 100% genuine product as it reaches to distributor directly from the company. There is no middleman involved, so there is no chance of duplicacy. So you get a 100% genuine product. If you still do not like the product, then Vestige gives you a 30 days return policy on the product you have purchased. So you can return the product as per the Vestige return policy. Moving ahead, if you talk about the offers and schemes, then Vestige gives different offer and schemes every month. I want to tell you about some of the offers. First offer is repurchase offer, in which you get 10% free product every month. Second offer is lucky draw offer, in which you can win a 32-inch LED TV every month. Sometime company gives a buy one get one free offer on some product. And one of the best offer is consistency offer, in which you buy a product worth ₹3,500 for 4 months continuously, and in the 5th month you get free product worth ₹3,000 MRP. All these offers you get when you buy the product from Vestige. Moving next, if you talk about the income, then Vestige gives you an opportunity to earn 9 types of income, which we will discuss further in this video. There are many people who change their shop and their life has been changed and they are earning 9 types of income from Vestige. Let's discuss these incomes one by one. Right after your registration, when you make your purchase from Vestige, you start earning first income, which is called retail profit, which is 10 to 20%. Vestige gives you a 10 to 20% discount on MRP, but there are some products on which you can avail of a discount of up to 35%. For example, the MRP of Vestige Assure soap is rupees 40, but when you buy it from Vestige after registration, then you can get it at DP price of rupees 26. So you can save rupees 14 with a 35% of discount. Therefore, when you buy a product from Vestige after registration, you can have this discount. Now you have purchased the product from Vestige and you use this product. There are two possibilities. The first one, you may like the product, or the second, you may not like the product. So let's discuss the second case first. What if you do not like the product? Is your money wasted? The answer is no. Vestige product comes with a 30 days return policy. If you do not like the product, then you can return the product as per Vestige return policy and go back to your regular shop. I do not think there is any big loss in doing this. But if you really like these products and you want to earn a good income by using these products, then all you need to do is to share these products and tell about this awesome product and offers with your friends, relatives and colleagues. If they join your business and start purchasing products from Vestige, then you will start earning second types of income, which is known as performance bonus, which you can earn from 5% to 11%. Before moving ahead, I want to tell you that Vestige business is calculated in PV, which is also known as point value. When you make a purchase of rupees 30, then you get 1 PV in Vestige. Now let's have a look at performance bonus chart. When you along with your team do a business of 1 PV to 599 PV, then your level is 5% and you earn performance bonus of 5%. From 600 PV to 2399 PV, your level is 8%. From 2400 PV to 5499 PV, your level will be 10%. And as soon as you reach 5500 PV, your level become 11%, and here you earn a tag which is known as Vestige Bronze Director. Now if you are really a dreamer and want to build your Vestige business fastly, then there are two fast promotions for you. First one is Vestige Fast Start 8%, which you can achieve if you do a business of 282 PV in 1 month. Second fast promotion is Fast Bronze Director, which you can achieve if you do a business of 4500 PV in 1 month. Let's move on and try to understand how you can achieve 5% to 8% level and 8% to 10% and then 10% to 11% Bronze Director. So first of all, I want to tell you that Vestige has an accumulative business plan, which means your business never becomes zero. The business from last month is added to the current month's business. For example, if you joined Vestige and made a purchase of 60 PV, which is approx 1800 rupees in the first month, and you like the product, therefore you start telling about these products and offers to everyone, and finally you end up adding 2 friends, 2 relatives and 2 neighbors. Each one of them made a purchase of 60 PV each. So now you have a team of 7 people, 1 you plus 6 your new distributors. So the total first month business is 60 into 7 is equal to 420 PV. Let's not consider the fast start here, and suppose your level is 5% only. So the total team bonus for the first month will be 378 rupees. Now you move on to the second month. Suppose due to some reason 2 of your distributors are unable to make purchase in the second month, but the rest of 4 distributors plus you make repurchase of 60 PV each in the second month. So total business in the second month will be 5 into 60 PV is equal to 300 PV, which is less than the first month business. But as I told you, we have an accumulative business plan. So your first month business 420 PV will be added in the current month's business and your total business will be of 720 PV. According to the performance bonus chart, 720 PV comes under 8% slab. So your level will be 8%. Your team bonus will be rupees 432. So you can see the power of accumulative plan. In less business you earn more. Now move on to the third month business. Suppose your team start telling more people about the business and the Vestige offers and sponsor more and more people, and you have a team of 42 distributors. If 42 distributors make a purchase of 60 PVEs, then 42 into 60 PV is equal to 2500 PV for the third month. But as you know, we have an accumulative plan, so after adding the old 720 PV, then our accumulative business till the end of the third month become 3220 PV, and we achieve 10% level with that accumulative business. In the third month business, income distribution in our team will be 4500 rupees. Moving on to the fourth month, suppose you have not sponsored anyone in the fourth month, but everyone in the team has completed the repurchase of 60 PV each, then fourth month business will be 42 into 60 PV is equal to 2500 PV, and on accumulating the business of the last month, that is 3220 PV plus 2500 PV is equal to 5720 PV, and you achieved a new level which is 11%, and total team bonus will be 4950 rupees. As I told you earlier that whenever you reach 5500 PV accumulatively, then you become the bronze director in Vestige business. So congratulations, as you have become the bronze director. In comparison to the earlier slab, now it is easy to qualify the bronze director level. Earlier we need to do an accumulative business of 10,001 PV to become a bronze director, but in the new Atmanirbhar plan, you only need to do an accumulative business of 5500 PV to become a bronze director. Once you become the bronze director in Vestige business, then you start getting the third income from Vestige, which is bronze director bonus 4% exclusively for the bronze directors only. The level of a bronze director is the level of success in Vestige. You become successful and powerful in Vestige, and there is an old saying, with great power comes great responsibility. Also, the tagline of Westie says, in your success lies our success. So as you are successful now, it's your responsibility to make others successful. If you do so, then you will be more successful. So when you help one of your downline, or I say lifeline, to reach the level of bronze director, and you complete 1800 PV from your side, and then you reach the level of silver director, and you start earning fourth income, which is known as business building bonus BBB 14%, which is exclusive for silver director and above. Moving ahead, as soon as you make one of your downline successful and you qualify the level of silver director, then you start earning a fifth types of income, which is known as travel fund, which is distributed 5% from the company turnover. Earlier it was 3%, but now it is 5%. Now you must be thinking, what is travel fund? So I want to tell you that Vestige take its distributor to the foreign tour in every 6 months, or you can say twice in a year. One time Asia and one time Europe. All the expenses of your tour is managed from your travel fund. Till now, Vestige has done 31 foreign tours, which includes the following destination: Paris, Turkey, Bali, Thailand, Abu Dhabi, Malaysia, Phuket, Scotland, Dubai, London, Amsterdam, Macau, Tashkent, and many more. So if you want to be the part of Vestige's next foreign tour and you want to enjoy the foreign tour every 6 months, then you must qualify the level of silver director. On the same level of silver director, you can earn one more income, which is known as leadership overriding bonus 16% from the turnover. Earlier this income was distributed 15%. Now you can earn 16% leadership overriding bonus, or you can say LOB. But how? To earn LOB, you need to show your leadership and you need to do a business of 5625 PV monthly from the director's leg. As soon as you do that, you start earning LOB 16%. One more thing I want to tell you, that LOB is the biggest income of all in Vestige. So if you want to earn huge money, then you need to earn LOB as soon as possible. So when you help one distributor in Vestige to qualify his bronze director level, you become silver director and you start earning business building bonus, travel fund and LOB. In the same way, if you help 3 distributors to achieve the level of bronze director and you do side business of 1000 PV, then you become star director in Vestige. And if you maintain this level for 3 months continuously, then you start earning a 7th income, which is known as car fund 5% from business volume turnover. and you can earn up to 80,000 rupees per month as a car fund. Once a distributor become car fund achiever, then he or she get this car fund for the lifetime. Using this car fund, you can buy any of your dream car. I want to tell you that more than 7,000 distributors have purchased their car worth 10 lakh to 20 lakh rupees, and there are more than 200 distributors who have purchased luxury cars like Audi, Mercedes, BMW, Jaguar, Volvo from this car fund. If you are a car lover and have a dream of driving your own car, then you must join Vestige by calling the following number. Till now we have discussed 7 types of income from Vestige, so move on to the 8th income, which is house fund 3% from business volume turnover, which you can earn up to 1 lakh rupees per month. Now the question is how you can earn a house fund. To earn a house fund, you need to help 6 distributors in your lifeline to become successful and achieve the level of bronze director. As soon as you help 6 distributors to become bronze director, you become Vestige Crown Director, which is a prestigious title in Vestige business. And if you maintain that level for 3 months continuously, then you start earning house fund for a lifetime. Now last but not the least, 9th income which you can earn is Elite Club bonus 2% from business volume turnover. You can earn up to 20 lakh rupees per month as an Elite Club bonus. Now again the same question, what is qualifying condition to earn this Elite Club bonus? To earn an Elite Club bonus 20 lakh rupees per month, you need to qualify the level of Vestige Double Crown Director, that is 12 lakh director, or Vestige DUCD 16 lakh director. If you do so, then congratulations, you will start earning an Elite Club bonus, which is a bumper income. So that was all about 9 types of income which you can earn just by changing your shop. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and share this video as much as possible so that everyone will be benefited from this video. If you have not subscribed to this MD Firdaus YouTube channel, then please hit the subscribe button and turn on all the notifications. Thank you. Wish you wealth.